everyone! Welcome to this short video about financial analysis and reporting. Alam ko, medyo technical at malalim pakinggan. Pero don't worry, we'll break it down and make it easy to understand. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano basahin ang financial reports ng isang company or kung kumikita ba siya, then this video is for you!
First thing first, ano ba ang financial analysis and reporting? Sa madaling salita, ito ay isang proseso kung saan chinecheck natin kung gaano ka-efficient ang isang company sa paggamit ng resources niya, kung kumikita ba siya, at kung saan siya pwedeng mag-improve.
Ang pinaka-basic na documents na kailangan nating i-check ay ang income statement, balance sheet, at cash flow statement. These are the main financial reports ng company. Pero paano ba natin to i-analyze?
Let's start with the income statement. Dito natin makikita kung kumita ba o nalugi ang isang company in a specific period. Ang main parts nito ay ang revenue o sales, pera na kinita ng isang company. Next is the cost of goods sold, pera na ginastos para makapag-produce o makapagbenta ng products. Next is the gross profit, pagkakaiba ng sales of cost of goods sold. Next is operating expenses, mga gastos para patakbuhin ang negosyo tulad ng sweldo, rent, and etc.
Next, the balance sheet. Dito naman natin makikita ang financial position ng company at ang specific point in time. Binubuo ito ng tatlong parts. First, assets, mga bagay na pag-aari ng company like cash, equipment, and buildings. Second, liabilities, mga utang ng company tulad ng loans at bills. Third, equity, pera na pag-aari ng mga shareholders or owners after lahat ng liabilities.
Finally, the cash flow statement. It shows kung saan pumunta ang pera ng company. Pwedeng makikita dito kung may sapat na cash para mag-operate ng isang business. It is divided into three parts: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. So, para magawa ang financial analysis, titignan natin itong mga reports para malaman kung kumikita ba ang company, paano siya magmamanage yung finances, at paano ang mga areas na kailangan pa na pagbutihin. It's not just about numbers, but understanding the story behind those numbers.
Now, let's talk about some basic tools sa pag-analyze ng financial statements. Isa sa pinaka-basics is the profit margin. Simple lang to. Divide the net profit by total sales, then multiply by 100 para makuha ang percentage. Mas mataas na percentage, mas maganda. It means the company is keeping a bigger portion of their sales as a profit.
Isa pang importanteng tool is the trend analysis. Dito, tinitingnan natin kung paano nagbabago ang performance ng kumpanya over time. Kung tumaas ang sales year after year, ibig sabihin maganda ang growth. Pero kung pababa ang trend, we need to dig deeper kung bakit. So yan, financial analysis and reporting is a crucial skills para maintindihan kung paano pinapalakad ang isang negosyo. It helps businesses make smarter decisions and also help investors or owners know if they should keep investing or pull out.
I hope naliwanagan kayo. Kung gusto niyo pa ng mas detailed explanation, don't hesitate to search more. Salamat for watching and good luck sa inyong financial analysis journey. See you next time!